Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. It's been a very busy day so far, but this is the second one in today, a Cosmic Grey EP3. Richard is having a sandwich, and then we're on with mapping this one on a Kpro. It's got some mods, as you can see. Skunk2 Ultra Series Inlet Manifold. It's got a Japspeed 4:1, a Tegiwa 70mm, and a leaf eater, obviously. We'll see what we can make out of her. Here we go. Cosmic Grey, my favourite EP3.
Dan's favourite.
Absolutely. Now this one came in with a Kpro already installed.
Yeah, and obviously maps and done all the rest of it. So we never see a massive amount of games when we have that situation, do we? Because it's got a map file of some description already on it.
Yeah.
And yeah, okay, that might not be perfect for this car, but obviously someone that's tuned it already knows Hondas, they're already tuned them, so the gains are not as dramatic as you would.
Yeah, so you've already got a lowered VTEC point in a higher rev range, you know, revving out to 8.6 and stuff, but it was a little bit lean in the
the fueling was the main thing with this car. We've not made any peak power necessarily, because it's made 240, which I think is bang on exactly where it was, and the file that was on it was probably for very similar mods, or maybe he bought the mods and he bought the ECU at the same time. I don't know, but So obviously that would be pretty close. Then obviously it's fueling, because different engines, different cars want different things. So we sorted that out. We ran through the count time, we got everything. Like I say, we didn't make any peak power on this car, but what we did do is get it right and for set up for this car. And he wanted launch control flames, and he wanted flames, so we've added those to the map as well.
He's going to go around a track with some flames.
Yeah.
See how quick he gets black flagged for that.
I would imagine pretty quick.
Pretty quick.
Yeah.
Do you remember when we got black flagged?
All the time.
It's good fun though.
Yeah,
it's good fun. Yeah, brilliant. So another one in the bag. We've got more to do, Rich, so we probably better go and look at that graph.
Yeah, we better have a look at that graph.
Let's do it.
Well, say it with me, lads. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. And whilst we finish on the same peak power, we've made a load of wheel horsepower. Obviously, this car had a Kpro with some form of tune on it as she came in, but we've definitely dialed in the fuel, the cab timing, and we are finished up at 207 at the wheels, 240 brake horsepower. Another beautiful cosmic grey EP3 in the bag. And perhaps we'll see this one again with a different induction kit, maybe a bit more power. But yeah, absolutely really happy with that. If you've got an EP3 and you need parts, tuning, mechanical maintenance or servicing, give us a shout. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Go old school, pick up the phone, speak to us, or come down. Come down to the Honda meet last Saturday of every month. But for now, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.